Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. One to step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for LinkedIn on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, make sure you have the LinkedIn app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you do that, on your screen you can see there's three options: agree and join, continue with Apple, and continue with Google. Tap on continue with Google. Then you have to tap on continue. Then you have to select the email ID you want to sign up with and tap on continue. Then select continue again. Then it's gonna take a few seconds, and on your screen you can see you have to give your number. They're gonna say your verification code. Type in the verification code and select enter, and you have to give few permissions and tap on next. Once you fill in the details asked by the app, you have to continue. And guys, that's it. That's how you sign up for LinkedIn on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.